In order to use the GOb2bPay virtual terminal, go to the admin site, select GOb2bPay and select Virtual Terminal. Here you can process payments on behalf of customers. Please ensure all details are correct, and a clear reference is included to aid reconciliation. This could be an invoice number, account number, etc. You will be required to add all details in order to process the payment. Once you have added all details and pressed Next, you will be able to add the card details. You will need to add the name on the card, along with an email address and phone number, and the card billing address. Please ensure these are correct and then add the card details. Once these are completed, you can process the payment. When the payment has processed, you will be navigated to the payment details where you will find all the information for the transaction.